LeBron scored 25 baskets out of 30 attempts in the first game and 10 out of 10 in the second game. Jordan scored a lower percentage than LeBron in each game, but ended up with a higher two-game scoring percentage. How many more baskets did Jordan score in the second game than the first if he took 15 attempts in Game 1 and 25 attempts in Game 2? So the first thing I might write out is a table here with Game 1, Game 2, LeBron scoring, and Jordan scoring. What do we know LeBron did? He scored 25 baskets out of 30 in Game 1. Pretty good. And 10 out of 10 in Game 2. That's perfect. So in all, we would say he scored 35 out of 40 baskets. If Jordan took in Game 1 15 attempts, so out of 15 attempts, and 25 attempts in Game 2 out of 25 attempts, well, we know in total that's also out of 40 attempts for Jordan. He must have scored a lower percentage. Well, this 25/30 is 5/6. 5/6 is 83%, so if he scored 12 out of 15, that would be 4/5 or 80%. So 12 or less would be what Jordan had to score in the first game if he scored a lower percentage than LeBron. And LeBron was perfect in the second game, so Jordan could have received as high as 24 in the second game. So how many more baskets did Jordan score in the second game than the first? Well, if he scored 24 in the second game, and he had to have a higher two-game scoring percentage, that means he had to have at least 36 out of 40 correct shots. So 24 would suggest 12 out of 15, exactly the next lowest score that we thought could be possible. So this appears to be the answer. He would have 24 in Game 2. Let's make sure we're answering the question. How many more baskets did he score in the second game than the first? That's 24 in Game 2 and 12 in Game 1. That's 12 more. 24 minus 12. Could it be different in any other fashion? Could I have 23 out of 25 and then still 12, which would be a lower difference? No, that wouldn't work because I'd have 35 out of 40. Could I go higher than 24? No, I can't go to 25 out of 25 for Jordan on the second game because then he won't have a lower percentage. So that doesn't work. This is the answer. The difference between Game 2 and Game 1 scores for Jordan must be 12.